Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Open4 is not working on GTA 5 Enhanced. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do here, you just need to go to the client where you got GTA 5, and then you just need to look for Enhanced, right click on it, Properties, and go to File Location. Then here you need to go to Common or just one folder until you see GTA 5 Enhanced, and then you just need to rename it and delete Enhanced here. Then enter the folder, then look for GTA 5 exe, and then look if there is enhanced and delete it. Also here as well, delete enhanced and leave with only GTA 5.b here. And GTA 5 /b should be a GTA 5 launcher. Right, and after that you can close this. Open up browser, then go to Open4 and download the newest version of Open4. Install like you normally would. Here, accept, continue. Then you just need to press create a desktop app if you want, and then install. And then press app, select GTA 5, and then you need to find directory of the files that they are installed. So you just need to go to Steam and then select legacy because you changed files. Enhanced was deleted, so it will be files will be changed, and then you just need to copy and paste that particular path here. I don't know why it's not working. Or simply then press browse, then go to this PC, disk C, program files, not program files, files 86, Steam, Steam apps should be somewhere here, Steam apps, common, and then here it should be GTA 5. Okay, as you can see here, now it's working. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.